engineers. Today we are going to demonstrate a solar panel made by me. Talking about the components of the solar panel, here we have one PCB board and which is colored by an acrylic black paint. Also we have soldered 100 Zener diodes in this way. Today I'm going to show you how this works via a multimeter, which is this one. This is a multimeter, and so today I'm going to show you how this works and how much voltage this gives. Okay, so our first step would be to setting up the multimeter. This is the multimeter. So first we need to set the multimeter in DC, because when we are going to show the current in this, it will be coming in DC current. It will give an output of DC. So we are going to set the multimeter in DC, and in any of the ranges I'm going to set it in 2, because this much Zener diode, because Zener diode usually does not give much electricity on such less contact, and given that these are 100, they are very small in number, and usually making giving solar panels which give large outputs, it's not possible in home. So I'm going to show you, and I've made a small one, and this will only be giving out about 0.1 volt or something like that. So yes, let's see how much it gives. So I'm going to set it in 2, and it's set in 2. Now we're going to test it out by these 2 nodes. So let's just test it out. Okay, now let's just test these 2, how much output this will give. So we're going to put the first one here in this node, and the second one in this node, and like this. It is giving very less output, as you can see, about 0.05, about 0.05, and that's the output. Thank you. Now clearing few facts about it, you might tell that this is giving very less output, and obviously it's giving very less output. It is not enough to even light a bulb, but Zener usually Zener diodes output is less, that's why it's giving so less output. Also if I make a bigger panel out of it, it would obviously give, but it would be also less, and making such panels which give larger outputs is difficult in home, and uh, it would require semiconductors like silicon and those facts, and that is not actually possible to make in home. So yeah, this is type of prototype or model which we can say, because it's giving output, it's working, but it's not really applicable anywhere. Thank you.